Hi, and I hope you're ready for an end of a semester treat, literally. Over here you can see a phylogenetic tree of ice cream. Now you might ask, what is a phylogenetic tree? It is a tree showing the evolution between various biological species or other entities based on their similarities and differences. In this case, ice cream. The phylogenetic tree includes different operational taxonomic units or OTUs, which classify and describe groups of similar individuals or even biological sequences. In a rooted tree, like the one shown here, the relationship and distance between the different OTUs is known. Internal nodes happen where more than one branch meets and represent the common ancestor of two OTUs before it diverged. If going from right to left, you think of each of the OTUs as a train station where the trains meet each other as an internal node. The most recent ancestor of two OTUs can be identified at the closest internal node that connects the two OTUs together, meaning that if trains departed from those stations where the trains meet is the most recent common ancestors of those two OTUs. For example, the most common ancestor of strawberry and pistachio ice cream is here. It is important to recognize that trains move in the direction from right to left at all times, meaning that this movement is not allowed. The out group is the OTU that has diverged earlier than other OTUs, in this case the soy ice cream. It is said that anagenesis happens here as the evolution happens without any divergence and the lineage stays the same. In other words, wherever there is no risk of trains running into each other, anagenesis happens. Oppositely, cladogenesis takes place where the divergence of one lineage takes place and nodes are formed. These are the places that trains can run into each other. So here is the phylogenetic tree of our ice cream. We can see that early on it diverges into dairy-based and non-dairy-based. So non-dairy-based ice cream would be soy ice cream, which this is our out group because the OTU has diverged early on from every other OTU. For our dairy-based ice cream, if it's single flavored, fruity, and red, it would be strawberry. If it's not red, it would be blueberry. If it is single flavored but not fruity and it has chocolates, it would be dark chocolate. If it does not have chocolates, it would be Earl Grey. Our dairy-based ice cream, if it's multi-flavored and it does have solids, if the solids include chocolate chip, it will be chocolate chip mint. And if there are other solids, it will be pistachio. And for our dairy-based multi-flavored ice cream without solids, if it has originated in America, it will be Superman ice cream, and if it has originated outside of America, for example in Australia, it will be Blue Haven ice cream.